Hello everyone, welcome to Revit family next video in which we talk about void forms. Okay, in void forms we first talk about void extrusion. Here you will see void extrusion. Void extrusion is used to create hole in any solid. Okay, and let's see, suppose I have taken extrusion from here. If you have not watched the previous video, watch before watching this video so you can understand easily. Okay, suppose I have taken extrusion, only extrusion, and I have created some profile here. Finish it, going 3D and see, let's it look like something like this. Okay, suppose if I want to put a hole on here, so for that we have to edit this profile, and here we create another profile inside the same profile, so you will see hole is created. Okay, but we cannot increase or decrease the height of this hole. It will create the hole through the object. Okay, but in case, suppose now I edit the profile and suppose I have to take extrusion. Okay, but I want that hole should not cross the object. For that we have to use the void extrusion. Let's see how we can use this. Click on void extrusion. Okay, suppose I want here, so set the work plane, pick the plane. Okay, suppose I want on this face. Okay, select this profile and make a circle. Finish it. You will see the hole is created, but you want the hole to not through the object, so you can decrease the hole. Now you can see the hole is, you can see here, you can see the hole is there, but here there is no hole, but on the upper side you can see hole. Okay, suppose let's see the other example. Suppose I want profile on this face. Okay, so go and create, go in void extrusion. I have taken the rectangular. So first I have to set the plane, on which plane I want to draw the profile. Suppose I have taken this plane, now I take this rectangle and now I place the here. You can see, finish it. Now you see the something like this, so you can adjust this one. Suppose now you see it look like, you can make this like this. Okay, in this case you can increase or decrease the height. Suppose let's take void form, set the plane, pick the plane. Okay, suppose I have selected this plane. Now select the circle and place here. Copy this one and 6 inch, 6 inch, 6 inch, 6 inch, 6 inch. You can place like this, 6 inch here. Okay, now finish it. Now you will see the hole you can design. Suppose you can see the hole throughout here. If you want to decrease, you can make it here. Now you can see the hole is not throughout the object, but the hole is, you can see, you can't see the whole back side. Okay, so void extrusion is used to create a hole inside a solid. Okay, and you can adjust the hole as per your requirement. Okay, thank you for watching the video. So in the next video we talk about void blend. Till that, keep watching the previous video. Thank you for watching.